Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can just use Delle 2.0 to make your product images. So to do that, you have to just search as OpenAI here at your Google or your Chrome. So here is openai.com. It is open. So as you can see, uh, OpenAI is developed by Elon Musk company. Okay, so here you can see safety and responsibility and all the products. So the governments, as you can see here, all the images. So here we have an option known as product. So we have to click on the product. So here you can see is Delle 2. You have to click on this. So you can just click on here, try Delle. So Delle will open from here. So in Delle we have to just sign up and it will work. So let's see the introduction of the video. So here you can see uh, here as in January, as you can see, January 2021, Delle has introduced their last year your newest system and your generation of the products or the realistic. As you can see, you can make a realistic product using your Delle. So focus on safety. They focus on the safety and generation prevention. As you can see. So here you can see. So as you can see here, as Delle 2.2 has empower the people to express them creativity. The Delle also helps to understand how the AI has been advanced system, see and understand the world, which is critically like a mission to creating the AI benefits of the humanity. So as you can see, so here is Delle works for creating a match. So you can just click. So here you have to just sign up with your account. So I have like the sign up. So to sign up it, so I will show you how you can just sign up in Delle. As you can see, so in Delle you have to sign up here. Just click on here sign up. So here you can see as we have uh, three options to sign up. Sign up with the account, or we can just sign up with here as our Google. As you can see, so here you can see in the Google we have an option to like our Google account. So I'm doing with my ID, which have been created previously. So as you can see here, it's opening. So I am using Delle here. So here you can see I can use a prompt. So I can just use a prompt as make a bag uh, on table. You can just write like this and create generate. So as you can see, so here you can see at the Delle, as you can see, it's like writing here. So make a bag like I'm making a bag on a table. We can do as bag on table in search this. So here you have to be creative and write the prompt in the special way, as you can see. So as you can see, these are the bags. So if I find this bag as I creative, so I can just like here we can just make the variations. So let's make the variations of this bag. So here you can see the original is here we have selected, and these are the variations of this bag. So let's choose this bag. As you can see, it's looking good. So to save it, we have to click on here save button. As you can see, save in collection, or we can just uh, download it. Okay, from here as you can see. So it's downloading now. You can see as the variations. So when it will be downloaded, so we have to see the image quality, how is the image quality. So it will download it. So you can go to your Shopify store and just click on your products. As you can see, So here at the right corner you can see we have option to add product. We can just click on this add product. So here we have to just write as a bag, okay, a handbag. Just title as a handbag. We can just create a creative, we can generate, we can just make it a handbag, okay. We can just generate the text, okay. So here is suggestions. So handbag is a perfect for keeping your necessity close at the hand while remaining stylish and crafted with fine material. It is a bag to be luxurious and yet practically the previous in addition to in very wardrobe. So we can just keep it, okay. So as you can see here, so here we have in uh, save the Delle image. So we can just drag and drop here our product image. So as you can see it's uploading. So here we have to just write our price. So for example I'm like creating this bag price as I'm just creating from my own. So I'm doing this for $199 and compare it to $499, okay, $499. So the cost of the bag, it will cost like me a for like a $50. Okay, so my profit margin is approximately 74%. So here my profit margin. So it's track quantity. We have to run track of quantity. So here is like location, store location. Okay, so it's physical product. We can just weight it as in kg. So kg like you can do as it will be approx like 500 gram. Where is gram? 500 gram. Okay, so you can just save it. So this is how you can just make a product from product images using your Delle. So we can just view the product in our site. So when we will click on here as our site, as you can see, so it's like here handbag. Here's the costing. As you can see, the image is looking good. As you can see, these are the also recommended that I have added using the Delle. So this is how you can just make a product image using your Delle 2.0. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.